Welcome back, friends. It's Dave from Dave's Retro Repairs here. This particular L35 Nikon is quite badly destroyed. I knew that when I bought it, and I'm not entirely sure it's going to be brought back to life. This is the one I've been sort of taking to bits and had both parts of the backs off, and the cap was so badly corroded all in here. The battery compartment had leaked all the way through here, across all of this. Even the contact switches on the back of the flash had been quite badly corroded. Well, I'll just show you how that. Let me see if I can just. There's a catch there, down there, that just releases, and the flash unit pops up. But you can see in there, I mean, I've cleaned them all out. Those four contacts there were badly mangled. I'm probably going to use this one as a complete tear apart, just for the benefit of all of us on YouTube, I guess. So if anybody wants to see anything in particular, give me a knock, and I'll see if I can make a video about it, taking it to bits. But this is the ISO 400 version, so I'm not too overly upset. But I will still keep tinkering away. But I also wanted to mention that for those of you who are into 35mm film, to say that it is worth, if you can get one of these cheaply enough, and you're useful with a soldering iron and various bits and pieces and can clean them out, it is worth doing. I took some, not on this particular camera, but the ISO 1000 version, which I've recently repaired. I've taken some images at the top of the Chevin, very close to where I live, and used an application called Panorama Stitcher Mini, which is freely available on the App Store. And I just wanted to show you some of the results. It's, as you can see, hopefully, it is worth doing if you're into 35mm photography. This panorama at the top of the Chevin in black and white, I think, looks fairly reasonable. Anyway, let me know if you want to see any more particular parts of this broken down, and I'll hopefully make a little video for you, and you can have a look. Alright, all the best, take care, bye.